Hey Cocoa Cuties, welcome back to my channel, Brown Sugar Cocoa. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can see more of my hair tutorials and try on hauls. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to slick down this natural hair honey. This hair is 100% natural. I did a big chop about 2 months ago, and I'll put that in the description box down below, but I'll also have the link up here. You're going to want to start with some freshly washed hair and then put leave-in conditioner all over it. Then grab you some Ecostyler gel and slob that joint on everywhere and make sure you do a part. If you want like a little cute design, you can go ahead and do that right now. Do that first. And then you're going to glob that doggone gel everywhere in that hair and then rub it down with the brush and the comb. So here's where you're going to want to like put that design in. If you want it like to be like wavy or like some finger waves, you can go ahead and do that right here before it's dry and everything like that. And just keep smoothing it down until it's like to your liking, nice and smooth, straight, and have your little waves up in there just until you get it right. Take your time, honey. Don't rush it. Once you're done with that, we're going to want to mold it with some foam mousse just to top it off. So you can put that all over your head on the top there and like rub that in real nice and good so it can get like nice and hard and won't move nowhere. And I'm growing my hair out, so don't talk about my long neck hairs here, all right? I like it. Okay guys, this is my first time wearing a do-rag, but you're going to want to put a do-rag on or something of this sort and wrap it, sit with it for like 30 minutes to an hour or let it air dry overnight, whichever you prefer works. I just sat it for like an hour, air dry. Now I'm going to slay my makeup and come back. I'm back, makeup slayed, and hair is dry, and let's see how these waves turned out. Ooh, slick to the scalp, honey. You see it's laying so flat, baby girl, yes. Okay. It's really a simple process. It's real easy, can be done in like 5 minutes or so. And thanks for watching. Love you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for some pictures of me with this hairstyle looking fabulous. Bye.